Hi everyone, welcome to Rusted Pliers. Today I'm going to be demonstrating this Woodland Mills Wood Chipper. I got the chipper and saws loaded up all ready to go. The wood chipper weighs about 900 pounds, so it's best if it's on a trailer, though it can fit in the bed of a full-size truck like I got it here. Today I'm going to be clearing out a grove of trees so that I can pass between fields. Now, these are some nasty trees. They have about 2 to 3 inch thorns growing on them, so I'll have to watch out and be very careful. These thorns go right through a glove, boot, or tire. Thorns grow on the trunk as well as the branches. If you know what these type of trees are, let me know in the comments. They don't look like the wild Bradford pears that I am familiar with, but they are very difficult to deal with and remove. But it ain't nothing the wood chipper can't handle. The chipper has a hydraulic roller that feeds the limbs down the chute and into the chipper. The entire system is driven by the tractor PTO and connected to a 3-point hitch. The chipper uses belts to turn the flywheel and blades. The hydraulic system that turns the infeed rollers is self-contained within the chipper. The red bar controls the direction of the rollers. Pull it out to feed the chipper, or push it in to reverse the direction of the rollers and pull something out. The opening of the rollers is 8 by 8 inches. As the rollers pull limb into the chipper, it'll flatten out the branches. Woodland Mills recommends you using at least a 35 horsepower tractor for this chipper, and a minimum of 60 horsepower if cutting 8-inch limbs. I wouldn't want to put the full 8-inch diameter limb through this. For me, if it's big enough to use as firewood, I'll set it aside. Anything else goes into the chipper. The tractor I'm using here is 75 horsepower, and that seems to work perfect. The wood chip size and chute direction can also be adjusted.